To calibrate the tensions of an ESG machine, use a dial tension gauge. Please note the pointer rests on 0 and the first line represents 10 grams. After removing the upper tension thread cover, check the black knurled knob to the right of the spring. This adjusting knob should not be free turning and have an approximate gap of 1.5 millimeter from the right side of the knob to the left side of the bracket as a factory setting. If not, adjust the knob and lock the threads with Loctite or fingernail polish, using caution not to get the Loctite or fingernail polish on the sliding shaft. Open the 1 through 40 test mode screen by holding in both the start, stop, and reverse buttons while turning on the machine. Select test mode number 25 and using the plus or minus keys, reset the screen to 00. Select close and turn the hand wheel 1 full turn to reinitialize the tension motor. Tie one end of an 18-inch length of the red thread found on the bobbin supplied with BabyLock embroidery machines to the eyelet of the dial tension gauge. Raise the presser foot lever and route the thread through the thread guides, under the pre-tension plate, and around the post as shown. Then lower the presser foot while pulling the tension gauge straight toward you, ensuring the thread is not contacting the tension disc. You should have a tension reading of 11 to 14 grams. If not, adjust the brass Phillips screw clockwise to increase, counterclockwise to decrease the gram pull. This will be a very sensitive adjustment. Raise and lower the presser foot several times, rechecking the gram pull. Once this is achieved, raise the presser foot and retract the thread. Draw the thread down between the tension disc and lower the presser foot. Pull the gram gauge down. The reading should be between 60 and 65 grams. If not, select test mode number 25. Select the plus key to increase or the minus key to decrease the gram pull. Select close and rotate the hand wheel 1 full turn to reset the tension motor and recheck the total gram pull of 60 to 65 grams. To check proper tension of the bobbin case, position the bobbin case as it would be in the machine. Draw the thread through the tension spring as you would when loading a bobbin. Pull the gauge straight back, checking the gauge for 11 to 14 gram pull. This gram value is preset from the factory and locked with paint. However, if the screw has been adjusted, reset the gram pull to 11 to 14 grams and carefully lock the adjusting screw with Loctite or fingernail polish. Then recheck with the tension gauge.